Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your browser is updated and developer tools are open. Extensions that block cookies must be disabled. Once done, load the test page that contains the third-party iframe or tracking pixel so you can observe requests. Make sure any enterprise or group policies aren't enforcing stricter rules because those override local changes. This step gets you into a diagnostic state quickly and prepares the exact environment where you will permit third-party cookies. Next, change the browser privacy controls. Open settings and set cookie handling so the test origin or specific third-party domain is allowed. Once you add an exception, reload the page and watch network requests in developer tools to confirm set cookie headers are accepted. Make sure cookies sent with same site equals none also include secure. If not, modify server settings or use a proxy for testing. While you're doing this, recheck extensions and clear site data between attempts so you see fresh behavior. Finish by validating server-side headers. Ensure set cookie specifies same site equals none and secure, and that domain/path match the cookie scope. Once done, test with curl and an alternate browser or incognito window to separate client blocking from server misconfiguration. If cookies still fail, inspect intermediate components, CDN, reverse proxy, load balancer, or corporate web filter, that might strip or rewrite headers. One quick troubleshooting tip: capture a HAR file and compare requests.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.